Good day everyone, I'm Christian Baguio and this is my laboratory exercise number 2 for basic electronics, push button switches, and digital inputs. So the materials needed in this exercise are Arduino Uno R3, breadboard, resistors, connecting wires, LED, push buttons, and USB cable. So first, in the circuit, connect the positive terminal of the LED, which is the longer leg, to a 330 ohm resistor. Next is install the two push buttons. Then, connect one pair of legs of a push button to a leg of a 10k ohm resistor. The other end of the 10k ohm resistor should be connected to the common 5V line. The other pair of legs of the push button should be connected to the common ground line. Then connect the common ground line to the Arduino GND pin. Then connect the common 5V line to the Arduino 5V pin. The other end of the 330 ohm resistor goes to the Arduino digital pin 3. Lastly, connect the push button out pins located between the push button and the resistor to the Arduino digital pin 8 and 9. After completing the circuit, the code follows. Following some minor editing to the code is ready to be verified and to be uploaded. Now let's connect our laptop to our Arduino Uno R3. As you can see, the RX indicator lights up. This means that our Arduino is already receiving the data. By pressing the left button, the LED turns on by giving a high signal to our Arduino digital pin 13. However, if I press the right button, the LED turns off by giving a low signal to the Arduino digital pin 13. Now let's try different pins on our Arduino for our LED and push buttons. Let's use D5, 6, and 7 instead of D3, 8, and 9. Upon changing the pins, the LED stops working. This is due to the code registered. We must change the code to the specific pins that we used in the Arduino Uno R3. After editing the code for our new setup, our circuit starts to work again.